Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Caravan door panel. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the windows are completely down. This provides better access and prevents accidental damage. Identifying all attachment points before you begin will make the process much smoother. Next, gently pry up the window switch panel using your trim removal tool. Once it's loose, disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. Be careful not to pull on the wires. Now, look for any screws located behind the door handle or within the armrest pocket. These often secure the main panel. With all screws removed, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry the door panel away from the door frame. Start at the bottom edge and work your way around, releasing the plastic clips one by one. Take your time to prevent breaking any clips. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight up to clear the window channel. Finally, disconnect any last electrical connectors, such as those for the door light, and detach the door handle rod. Now your door panel is completely free. Before reinstalling, inspect all clips for damage and replace any that are broken to ensure a secure fit. Reassembly is the reverse of removal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.